I have made this PCB holder without spending any money. Now you might be wondering how it's possible to do it without spending anything. Well, I made this PCB holder using scrap materials from my workshop. I couldn't make a video on how to make it. I can only give you an overview so that if you want to make it too, you can easily do so. I haven't seen a PCB holder like this either online or in the offline market. Before assembling the parts of this PCB holder, I will share its measurements and some technical points with you. This way, you can easily make it yourself or have someone else make it for you. This is its base, which I made in a triangle shape. On top of it, I made a bush and inserted plastic inside it. This bush is approximately 60 millimeters. If you want, you can adjust the size of the bush according to your preference. Next is the pipe, which is made of stainless steel. This is what we had available. This pipe is approximately 20 millimeters. The diameter of this pipe needs to be large because if the diameter is smaller, it will be flexible and will bend. So the pipe can have a thin gauge, but the diameter needs to be a bit larger. Now let's talk about the parts of the PCB holder. This part is made of wood, and after painting, it might not be obvious, but it is wood. I made a V-shaped groove in the center of this wood so that the PCB can be held in place inside it. This part is made of wood to prevent any short circuits inside the PCB holder. I have tightened the wood from the back with screws. You can adjust the size of this holder according to your circuit size. I made it larger because I needed to hold big circuits, so I kept the size of this wooden holder to approximately 10 inches. If you make a larger holder, make sure to keep the body proportionate to the size. The distance from the base to the bush of the holder is 9 inches, and it will be half of this size. So, for this holder, the half part is 5 inches, and this half part will rotate inside the bush. Let's start assembling the entire PCB holder now. This is the first base, and this is the second one. First, we will pass the pipe through the first bush, and then we will also pass the pipe through the second bush. If you are left-handed, you can set it up for your left hand. If you are right-handed, you can set it up accordingly for your right hand. I am right-handed, so I'm setting it up accordingly for my right hand. Now, I will also pass the other pipe through both bushes. Since I'm right-handed, I will fix this part and keep the other side movable. I will first tighten the screw here, and then I will tighten the second screw on this side. See, the left side is fixed now, and the right side is movable. This is the PCB holder where you will secure the circuit board. Notice that one piece is large and the other is small. What's the logic behind this? The larger side will hold this spring, and the larger side will go on the right side. This will create the necessary pressure. The diameter of the rod used in the holder is 15 millimeters. Here I have also added the screw on top. This is the hex nut for this side, and I will tighten it here. After tightening, you can see that pressure is being created. Now I will attach the holder on the other side, and it will be fixed. I will also tighten the nut here, and it rotates. The other side is also rotating. I will add a screw here as well. I have this circuit board that I will secure in this PCB holder. I will bring the movable side closer and apply a little pressure to tighten the screws. Now, we can rotate this circuit board 360 degrees. Next, I will tighten the screws in this position. Now let's bring in the soldering iron. If you need to do any desoldering, you can easily do it now. And if you need to work on the circuit board in any other position, you can do that easily as well. To remove the circuit board, apply pressure on the spring side, and the circuit board will come out easily. So make this holder yourself and make your work easier. If you are willing to support the channel, you can buy me coffee. For that, visit Patreon. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.